cruise lines aren't as formal as they once were, but dress codes still apply in certain areas. Hi, I'm Austin from Wave Wanderer Cruises. Welcome back. Today, we're going over dress codes. Dress codes have relaxed over the years, but there are still important rules to know, especially with a few recent changes. Let's dive in. First, smart or meta glasses. Several cruise lines have restricted or banned them in certain areas due to privacy concerns for guests and crew. If you were planning to wear them for style or content creation, it's best to leave them at home. Next, footwear. Flip-flops are fine by the pool or buffet, but most cruise lines don't allow them in the main dining room at dinner. Even Norwegian Cruise Line, known for being casual, has updated its policies. Also, if you plan to try activities like ropes courses or sports, you'll need closed toe shoes. Another common mistake is not packing a change of clothes in your carry-on for embarkation day. Luggage can take hours to arrive at your cabin. Bring a swimsuit, casual outfit, and even your evening wear so you can freshen up and avoid wrinkles or stress. Graphic tees are another area to watch. Vulgar language, offensive images, or controversial messages aren't appropriate on family-friendly cruise ships. Even if it's allowed, vacation etiquette goes a long way. Camouflage clothing is a big one. Some ports, like Barbados, prohibit civilians from wearing camo. You could be fined or asked to return to the ship, so check before you pack. In the main dining room, dress codes are more relaxed than in the past, but rules still apply. On casual or smart casual nights, shorts, flip-flops, tank tops, especially for men, hoodies, and baseball caps may not be permitted. Norwegian Cruise Line has recently reinforced some of these guidelines, particularly in specialty dining venues, where a more polished look is expected. Speaking of specialty restaurants, bring at least one dressier outfit. Think dark jeans or slacks with a collared shirt. You don't need a suit, but you do need to elevate your look a bit. Pajamas and bathrobes in dining areas. Bathrobes are not allowed, and you may be turned away. Pajamas in the buffet are debated among cruisers, but when in doubt, it's best to change. Pool wear inside the ship, especially in dining venues, is also a no. Even with a sheer cover-up, if your swimsuit is visible, you'll likely be asked to change. For water slides and activities, avoid swimsuits with metal details, ties, or zippers. Remove jewelry before climbing up, and check rules about action cameras or selfie sticks. One more surprising tip: upside-down pineapple prints are often associated with a particular lifestyle. It's not against the rules, but it may send a message you didn't intend. Finally, go light on perfume or cologne. Cruise ships are shared spaces, and strong scents can bother others, especially in elevators and dining rooms. At the end of the day, cruise fashion is about balance. Follow the guidelines, be considerate, and show a little grace if someone else misses the mark. You never know their circumstances. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise tips. And if you're getting ready for embarkation day, be sure to check out my packing guide next. Happy cruising!